Small town, bright, cheerful. In a small town, once a year, something truly exciting happens. The Incredible Invention Contest. It's a time when kids from all over come together to use their creativity and imagination to invent new gadgets and devices that solve everyday problems. Kids running toward a large building with a banner that reads, Incredible Invention Contest. Narrator. Meet our three young inventors, Lily, Ethan, and Mia. Each has a big idea and a plan to bring it to life. Inside the contest hall, tables with tools, parts, and drawings. Narrator. Lily's invention? A robot that can help people pick up toys and clean up their rooms. Lily drawing her robot on paper, explaining her idea to the camera. Lily excited. Imagine a robot that helps you clean your room in no time. It'll pick up toys, put them away, and even make your bed. Lily gathering parts like gears, circuits, and wires as she begins building. Narrator. Lily uses all kinds of tools and parts, learning how gears and circuits work together to make her invention move and think. Ethan's workshop, a messy garage with various tools and gadgets. Narrator. Ethan's invention is all about making life easier in the kitchen. He's creating a machine that can peel and cut vegetables automatically. Scene. Ethan holding a potato in one hand and a screwdriver in the other, working on his machine. Ethan, determined.